In 60 seconds or less, we are going to explain how asTech Mechanical is benefiting shops all across the United States. All right, Ben, take it away.
Okay, a lot of reasons for asTech to be in a mechanical shop. The number one thing is probably the price. There is none. There's no price to sign up, there's no monthly subscription, and even when you use us, the pricing is set so that you can mark it up like any other part. I'll typically pay $100 to $150 for a reprogramming event. I can charge $250 to $300 for that event. And the first month is free after you sign up. The second thing is the simplicity of my shop not having to maintain a stack of OE tools. I don't need 20 OE tools in my shop and the expense it takes with keeping those things updated. With asTech, I click a button, I'm connected to the right tool at the right time, I get the job done. And by the way, while they're doing the service, I can be working on something else.